Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I got a product that's sent to us from HeyValue. So this is a water warmer and dispenser. So I'm gonna unbox and then go try it out. Now I think this is perfect for people who've been using formula with their baby. And you know how sometimes when you are using formula, the water that you use might be a little bit too cold. So you want to kind of heat up the water a little bit. This will be a good solution for that. Anyway, so here's a user manual. Citric acid, detergent. Okay, so you have the body here, and then you have the dispenser. This actually goes on top of the body. So flip this over like so. Alright, let me go clean this up a little bit and then go try it out. The first time when you use it, you have to clean the inside of the water tank. Just wipe it down. It doesn't say anything regarding using any type of soapy water. Now when you're pouring the water out, make sure you're pouring from the side of the water tank, not from the front where it's facing the control panel, nor from the back, away from the control panel, just in case you got water into the electrical compartment. They also provide you with a diagram on the side of the machine to tell you how to pour the water in and how to pour the water out. After the initial wipe down, then make a pot of boiling water and pour into the water tank to the max line. Then you press and hold the dispensing button to get all the water out. Then the boiling water will run through the pipes inside the water tank as well to clean it for the first time. According to the instruction, it's preferred to use distilled water, and so that way it has less chance to develop scaling issues down the road. The amount of liquid it can hold in the water tank is 1000 ml. Alright, so now to the actual testing. What I'm going to do is to pour the distilled water to the max line on the water tank and then test out each individual degree, see how long it will take, and to see what's the temperature is actually come out to be. Now the first one I'm going to test out is the 98.6 degree. Took around 2 minutes and 34 seconds, and the temperature actually came out to be 97.2 degrees Fahrenheit. And now onto the second testing, where I'm going to pour out all the water from the water tank and then refill it with 1000 ml of distilled water. And now I'm going to try out the 104 degree. That came out to be around 2 minutes and 56 seconds for it to heat up to that temperature. And the actual temperature came out from the heat gun is at 100 degree. Now for the third test is 122 degree Fahrenheit. Again, the water is being poured out from the tank and new still water is being added. And this test came out to be around 4 minutes and 37 seconds. And the temperature came out to be around 113.7 degree Fahrenheit. Now the last test is for the 158 degree Fahrenheit, and this test came out to be the longest at just over 9 minutes for it to heat up to that 158 degree, and the temperature came out to be 147 degree Fahrenheit. Alright, so this product is great for parents who want to give their kids warm formula milk, because you have the water constantly heated at a certain temperature. Wherever you need to make the formula, all you have to do is just pour the hot water and also the formula into the bottle, and that's it. And then you have a body temperature warm formula ready for your baby. So it's super convenient for parents to use. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.